Cold and flu season is upon us, and if this was you last year, then it's time to stock up on your Elderberry Sea Moss Gel from SugarPearls. This is wild-crafted St. Lucia sea moss that is loaded with 92 of the 102 minerals your body needs to help fight flu and stubborn colds. Right now, SugarPearls has given you a chance to try our Elderberry Sea Moss Gel for only $20 for a 16-ounce jar for a limited time. Get yours and get ready for our 31-day challenge in October. Order details on Shopify, so get stocked up for the SugarPearl Sea Moss Challenge beginning October 1st. Remember, a tablespoon a day keeps colds and flu at bay. SugarPearl's Elderberry Sea Moss Gel is food that loves you back.